Fat-burning foods help you make low-calorie, weight-loss-friendly meals. Dieting to lose a belly, love handles, and hip fat is difficult. Cutting calories might leave you hungry, uncomfortable, and deprived. Today's video is about 20 foods that have almost 0 calories. 20. Shirataki noodles. Konjac noodles are also called miraculous noodles. Miraculous noodles are named appropriately. These noodles are satisfying and low calorie. 8 ounces have 20 calories. Regular pasta has 300 calories per serving. Insoluble fiber adds calories. Insoluble fiber has fewer calories than soluble fiber and starches because it is not fully absorbed. Insoluble fiber has 1.5 calories per gram compared to 4 calories per gram in conventional carbohydrate sources. An 8-ounce portion of shirataki noodles has 7.5 calories. This makes shirataki noodles a good carbohydrate for weight loss. 19. Slim rice. Slim rice is another carbohydrate similar to shiraki noodles. Every 100 gram serving has 7 to 9 calories. Brown rice has about 110 calories per cup. Slim rice is a non-GMO and gluten-free. This is shiraki noodles' component. You can also consume it as rice, which is more versatile. Texture and consistency are identical to normal rice. Since most vegetables are low in calories, boiling them and eating them with thin rice might provide a nearly calorie-free dinner. Many think konjac root suppresses hunger. This needs more research. If it suppresses appetite and is low in calories, it could help with fat loss, especially if you're hungry throughout the day. 18. Cucumber. Cucumbers are low in calories and heavy in water, making them filling. A 100 gram serving of cucumber has 15 calories and is 97% water. This makes adding cucumber to your diet easy and low calorie. Cucumbers may also help reduce and manage blood sugar levels, which can minimize food cravings. Unpeeled cucumbers aid weight loss. Because it increases fiber and contains vitamins and minerals, you'll feel fuller. 17. Sugar-free JELL-O. Sugar-free JELL-O has little calories. This 5-10 calorie snack might satisfy your sweet desire without spiking your calorie consumption. Gelatin helps reduce hunger and promote feelings of fullness. There are no preservative brands and JELL-O pouches are portable. 16. Zucchini. Zucchini is mainly water and can replace high-calorie pasta. With a spiralizer, you can make zucchini noodles for low-calorie meals. Cook them, then add salsa and parmesan. Pesto zucchini spaghetti is a delicious low-calorie choice. 100 gram zucchini has 17 calories. Pasta is 131 calories and is far less filling. Like cucumber, zucchini may lower and control blood sugar, which can help manage food cravings. 15. Pickles. Pickles are similar to cucumbers. One medium-sized pickle provides 1 gram of carbohydrates and 17 calories. Pickles' brine fermentation gives them a particular flavor. Variety abounds. Bread and butter spears without sugar can satisfy a sweet tooth. 5 to 7 calories per spear. The high salt content can cause bloating. Unless you need to look good fast, you can lose the water weight later. 14. Watermelon. Favorite fruit. Watermelon isn't calorie-free, but it has few for a fruit. 100 grams provide 30 calories. This makes watermelon weight loss friendly. One study indicated that if an overweight person eats 2 cups of watermelon daily, they consume fewer calories and lose fat over time. If overweight people ate the same number of calories in cookies, they'd feel less full, overeat, and gain weight. Researchers concluded that eating watermelon daily could lower weight, BMI, and blood pressure. As its name says, watermelon is great for weight loss because it's 92% water. The high water content activates stretch receptors in your stomach's wall, reducing caloric intake. 13. Lettuce. Lettuce is also 96% water. All lettuce varieties are minimal in calories. Every 100 gram serving of lettuce has 17 calories, making it a great appetite controller and weight loss food. Butterhead lettuce or red leaf lettuce has the fewest calories. Both have 13 calories per 100 grams. 12. Chewing gum. Since you don't swallow gum, it's not food. Sugar-free gum contains fewer than 5 calories per piece and can lessen cravings between meals. In one research, chewers consumed 68 less calories at lunch and didn't compensate by eating more afterward. chewing gum helps study participants resist high-calorie foods. There are now many excellent chewing gum varieties, and you won't be doing yourself any favors by eating an entire pack at once. 11. Celery. Celery is a low-calorie food that dieters love. Celery is quite watery. 95% water, 14 calories per 100 grams. Men may benefit from it beyond weight loss. In one study, celery leaf extract increased sperm production, which benefits fertility. Celery includes nitrates, which may help lower blood pressure. This can also help with high blood pressure related erectile dysfunction. Well, do you like what you're seeing so far? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep watching because you don't want to miss what we have at the #1 spot. 10. Diet soda. A low-calorie drink. Diet soda was once considered harmful for weight loss, despite being nearly calorie-free, because artificial sweeteners boosted appetite and sugar cravings. Recent research shows that some artificial sweeteners can aid weight loss. One study compared water and zero-calorie artificially sweetened water. They wanted to see how each affected 12-week weight loss. They tracked participants' weight for a year. Sweetener users shed more fat and gained less during maintenance. The sweetened group was less hungry and had a greater diet compliance than expected. Sweeteners can aid in weight loss and maintenance. But what about these sweeteners' health effects? As several studies have proven, artificial sweeteners aren't dangerous as long as you don't consume too much. Since these hypotheses developed, the only controlled trials to identify negative effects were on animals that consumed 100 to 1,000 times the recommended daily dosage of sugar. 9. Bok choy. This Chinese white cabbage cultivar is cruciferous, like kale, Brussels sprouts, and broccoli. Bok choy contains 13 calories per 100 gram serving and is 95% water. Also good in soups. Soup is low in calories and filling. 8. Radish. Radish isn't green, but it's one of the best almost calorie-free foods. Radishes contain potassium, B6, and C. 95% water, 16 calories per 100 grams. They're good for your teeth, gums, nerves, hair, and nails. They give flavor to salads without calories. 7. Walden Farms calorie-free dressings. What's in your calorie-free meal or appetizer except a salad? Dressing may turn a low-calorie salad into a high-calorie loaded nightmare. Salad dressings frequently contain a lot of oil, which can add calories to a meal. You have options. Walden Farms offers fat, carb, and sugar-free salad dressings. They offer calorie-free French, bacon, balsamic, raspberry, and other dressings. If you add too much dressing to your salad, you'll add calories. Calorie-free labels are based on bottle serving sizes. Don't throw the full bottle into your salad, but feel free to add some. 6. Watercress. Watercress is another salad-friendly vegetable. Like most veggies, it's 95% water. It also contains nitrites, which can aid increase workout performance by relaxing blood cells and boosting nitric oxide. This improves muscle oxygenation and blood flow. Watercress has 11 calories per 100 grams, which helps dieters. 5. Super-low-calorie condiments. Per packet or teaspoon, mustard has 3 calories. Frank's Red Hot and other hot sauces are calorie-free. Per tablespoon, horseradish sauce has 6 calories. Each spoonful of salsa contains only 4 calories. Per tablespoon, Heinz reduced sugar ketchup contains just 1 gram of sugar and 5 calories. Per tablespoon, soy sauce has about 9 calories and 1 to 2 grams of protein. These condiments are low calorie and tasty. 4. Kiwi. Kiwi is another low calorie, fat burning fruit. Each unit has 42 calories and 2.1 grams of fiber. Evening hunger is common. Diet cravings can make it hard to fall asleep. Kiwis can help you sleep according to research. In a 4-week study, participants who ate 2 kiwi fruits an hour before bedtime fell asleep faster, slept better, and slept longer. They determined that kiwi fruit could help people sleep. 3. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are commonly mistaken for vegetables. Tomatoes are similarly 95% water, however they only provide 18 calories per 100 grams. Tomatoes are rich in heart-healthy vitamin C and beta-carotene. They are good for your eyes, skin, and immunity since they include lycopene and vitamins K, B1, B2, B3, B5, and B6. 2. Tomato soup. It is great for dieting because it satisfies hunger and doesn't have many calories. It depends on where and how you receive tomato soup. Many pre-made tomato soups in the store are calorie dense. Make it yourself if possible. It's easy. Mix 17 ounces of whole canned tomatoes in juice with 1 chicken stock cube. In a large saucepan or pot, bring it to a boil. Once boiling, add stevia and garlic for flavor. It's over. Now you have 59 calorie soup. 1. Water. The best calorie-free drink is water. Water has 0 calories, reduces appetite and aids weight loss. Regular water drinkers consume 9% fewer calories on average, according to research. Drinking water before meals is also recommended. Drinking 17 ounces of water 30 minutes before breakfast reduced overall calorie intake by 13%. So, that's it for today's video. What do you think of the #1 spot? Hit us up in the comments and let's chat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for our channel so you never miss what's coming next from us. Thanks for watching.